Hey, it's Annie. Today I'm going to give you my honest review of these connector hooks. This is such a clever little gadget to have around the house to keep organized. Seriously, why haven't I thought of this before? You really can make the most use of your closet space by simply adding this hook on your hanger and layering your outfits. So you're utilizing that vertical space better. The company did send this to me as a free sample so I could review it, but that's not going to affect my opinion. So taking these out, the only thing I wish was that these hooks had some more protection. Some of them had paint chipping off of them, unfortunately, but it really isn't a big deal to me. They are super cute. If you look in the front, it has like the shape of a shark, and on the back it looks like it has a shark's tail. How cute is that? Now, I didn't have any fancy hangers here to put on display. I mean, I have 7 kids. We use what we collect along the way, and I wanted to use a few different options here to show you which ones actually work. You can see I tried out a pants hanger and also a regular round plastic hanger. This will work with the wired ones, but not the flat plastic ones like this one. However, you can just hook them on towards the bottom like this. So yeah, if you have some pretty hangers, it probably would look nicer. But for me, it's all about practicality and being efficient with my use of space. It doesn't have to be just for kids and babies, really. I mean, I'm using full-size hangers here. This would work fine for any adult clothes as well. So this is super versatile and I love it. I'm definitely giving this my recommendation.